Do you know what? My mum, the last thing she told me before I left was, you're either going to be in prison or you're going to be big. My music, is a compilation of inspiration that I get at that particular time. I moved out when I was 14. I was on the roads. I had no money. I was literally so poor. I had £0.00 in my account. I used to always go past this place and think, I really want a house here in near Canary Wharf, where the nice new buildings are. And now we're at a hotel, my house is just over there. And I feel really good because if I can get this, I can get anything. Kinda sad that he died, but look at your boy rise. Drake is a massive inspiration for me. Be careful how you approach me or my bros. So when I saw him sing Party Here at the Golden Globes, it was lit. My belly got full, now I got that milk. They used to cut, used to diss, used to fight. Now they ask me how I feel. For me, poverty is not that bad because you're at the bottom, innit? So the only way you're looking is up, do you know what I'm saying? So like, just like now, like, even when I have everything, I still have this same feeling of I want more and I want to be motivated. Beat it up, then rewind it. There was great artists on that list. There was great artists on this. I was not expecting to come first. That's crazy, man. I like to very. Mama made it. Mama made it.